After you watch the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Hey guys, today I am going to be building the first Quadrilla Marble Run demonstration for this channel. So, let's go on to the time lapse and see what I come up with. So, this is what I came up with for my marble run. So, I kept it a little simple and easy to use and quite easy to build because there are a lot of pieces you could put into there that are pretty common to find. So it's like the accelerator and speedway set. I basically used the accelerator set in order to build this. Probably along with some other sets like, I don't know, maybe Whirlpool can help out a little. Yeah, twist and rail set's also pretty good to build this set. Well, except for that thing over there, which you might have to get from Galaxy set, extension set for rails, twist and rail sets, or the Virgo set with rail set plus. I put in 2 starting places and 3 ending places. The parts of the marble run that make it pretty cool is the red switching block, which I already gave you a sense of in the Quadrilla Construction Company, along with the helix, which will come up later in the Quadrilla Construction Company. This is why I put in 2 starting places. This is for all of the features, and this is just for the red switching block. I've seen Quadrilla Marble Runs recently put in purple plates for their starting places. So I'm just going to do that real quick, and we will go ahead and test out Quadrilla Marble Run with these marbles in my hands. So let's start off with the entrance that only goes over to the red switching block. Interesting how that marble kept past the intro. Kept past the hole to the red switching block. There's marble. Here's another one over there. And it goes all the way down there. So I kept this marble run simple. Let's tip this over and see the marbles. We could also just manually tip over the red switching block. You could also manually tip over the teeter-totter, which is right over here. That's a piece I didn't use with this set, and it's a lot harder to find. So let's tip this over. This thing could be found in sets like the Castle Escape Race the Finish set and a couple of other sets in there. I also used the red block with I used the red block without the gray circle and 2 red blocks with the gray circle. Yeah, that's pretty much it for my basic Quadrilla demonstration. Well, basic for me because I have been building much more bigger and better marble runs. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the basic marble run. Stay tuned for a couple more Quadrilla Construction Company videos. And hopefully you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. I will be making more of these Quadrilla demonstrations sometime sooner or later. And I might call this Quadrilla Marble Run the, I don't know what to call it. Let's just call it Sweet Sauce. I'm calling this one Sweet Sauce. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. That's it.